Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to copy a profile link on Facebook. So if you want to share a profile link on Facebook, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. First of all, you go to the profile you want to copy the link. You click on the three dot menu at the right hand side. At the bottom you're going to see copy link. When you do that, it's going to copy the link in the clipboard. Now when you share this link to your friends and someone click on it, it's going to take that person directly to the profile on Facebook. So that's how you share profile link on Facebook. That's all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one.